Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It is a beautiful day here with the Crave Cook. Today we will be making black eyed peas mixed meat cook-up rice. Alright, with spinach also. You know what they say, the black eyed peas is for what? Blessings, and the green is for what? Money. Alright, so the list of our ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So if you're ready guys, let's get started. To my chicken, I'll be adding some Chinese sauce, some green seasoning, some ginger, Old Bay seasoning, and chicken bouillon, black pepper, smoked paprika, parsley, garlic powder, and we will mix well. Make sure everything is nice and combined, and we will let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. So for our meat, our beef that is, I will be using the green seasoning. I use some Worcestershire sauce, some beef bouillon, some smoked paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, and we will also mix this well and let this marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour also, because the beef and the chicken will take different times to cook. I did them separately in different pots. Then I'll be taking my beef and add it to the chicken. Give that a good stir, mix everything in well. Now I'll be adding one medium diced onion, some cilantro and celery, and some spinach. Remember what the green is for. Alright, now I'll be adding my boiled and tender black eyed peas to the mixture. Make sure you give that a nice stir. I washed 1 cup of rice and I also add that. Mixed everything in guys really well. I just add my fine thyme and now I'll go in with my coconut milk, and I'm using 2 cups of coconut milk. Smells amazing. And 1 cup of water. I also be adding 1 more tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now I'll go in with my okra and my thyme, sprigs of thyme. Now after about 20 minutes, I'm adding my diced carrots and give that a good stir. Make sure to catch the bottom of your pot and cook this guys on really slow heat. So our cook-up is looking amazing guys. Give it a good stir. Almost done. You can also let me know in the comment section, how do you like your cook-up? Wet or dry? Let that steam for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. And that is our delicious, when I say delicious, I mean delicious cook-up rice. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Those who are here, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, a warm welcome. Guys, enjoy. Have a fabulous year ahead. Bye-bye.